Hi there, watercolors. How you doing today? Today I'm going to be doing a little demo about our first little exercise in manipulating and moving paint around, and that's called dropping. But first I want to do, that'll be in the next video. This video is just a little quick shot about the brushes. So your brushes that you've got with this kit, you've got a couple different kinds. And I mentioned this before, I think, right? I wrote about it, but I'm gonna blab about it again here in this video. Watercolor brushes are very different than, say, traditional oil painting or acrylic painting brushes, which you have right here. These are very stiff, right? And they're made to manipulate paint in a different way, more like scooping the paint and applying it and scrubbing it and all that kind of stuff. So they're more abrasive style of brush. And they're appropriate for a harder surface like, or a more, just a tougher surface like canvas. Where watercolor brushes are much softer. Okay, so they're designed to hold water, move water around. So pick up water, put down water, move water around, but hold water. That's real important to understand. Even the little tiny ones are designed to kind of work that way. So that's a fundamental difference. The other thing is paper is, while it's pretty tough, it's still a fairly soft surface that's easy to abrade with a stiffer brush, meaning you can the fibers will start to dissolve if you use this brush. So watercolor brushes are soft because of the type of paper and the way the process works. That's an important thing to understand. A couple different types of brushes. This is a mop. So it's made to move the water in a specific way, more like a mop, like you mop the floor. So big amounts of water, it's kind of whacked down. Smaller brushes like these rounds are meant to move or lift the water in more precise ways. Same with this one, even though it's bigger. This type of brush, looks like a flat, is good for creating hard edges as you're working along, but you'll discover all this. And then a lot of watercolor brushes have this little sharp end to them, and that's to scrape the paper. So if you look, we'll look at some paintings by Turner. He did a lot of watercolors, the British painter Turner, and he would like to get highlights. A lot of times he would like say Winslow Homer did this too, where they just scrape up the paper right into the surface to create a line, a white line. So that's kind of what that's for. Okay,